Today I'm going to explain about how to configure the customer portal for Suit CRM. So this is a fresh instance of Suit CRM. I just installed the customer portal here. You can able to see the settings from the admin section and just scroll down. Okay. So this is the portal URL. You have to enter the URL where you are supposed to install the portal. So right now I'm going to install the portal in this link. So I'm going to copy this and paste here without the slash at the end. Here you can able to see the list of modules which are related to the contacts module. You can choose whatever the module you want to show to your customer from here, and just click here. If you don't want any module, you can just do this and it will go here. So right now I'm going to configure the documents and cases module, and here the welcome email and forget password. So whenever um, after the installation, you can able to find a section at the bottom of the contacts module. So here the customer portal, when you check this checkbox and give a username, this email will be triggered. You can able to change this from the email templates. When you install the portal, these two email templates will be added automatically. You can able to change the content from here. If you want to create a new template, you can just create your own, and make sure you add this to this placeholder. So this is where I will be like replacing the URL for the reset URL and the URL to set the password. So once we configure everything, we just click the save. So now we are going to check the layouts. So the selected modules will be shown here, documents, cases. So you have to choose the any one of the module, and we have to choose a view. Right now we are having like create, detail and list view. First we will be choosing the list view. These are the actions we are like going to give to the customers. Do you want the customers to add or edit a document? Do you want customers to delete a document? You can choose this, and then like you can choose what are the fields you want to show it to the customer, like so I'm going to add some fields here: description, date created, category. You can just save it. Now I'm going to choose the view for create. You can able to choose the columns, like if it is a 2-page column, then it will look something like this. If it is a 3-page, then we can able to like add 3 fields in a single column. I'm going to choose 2 columns. If you want to add a new panel, you can change the panel name from here, document information. Okay, you can add a new panel by clicking this button, more information. Here I'm going to show the categories, subcategory. I'm going to choose two modules, 2 columns, sorry. I'm going to show the status as well. So if you want to use the same layout to the detail view, you can able to like choose this checkbox and save. It will be automatically added to the detail view. So once you finish the layout settings, you just click the save. You will get a notification, and if you go to the detail view, it will show that um, the layout is copied from the edit view, so you can't able to change anything here. So here we are going to do the same for the cases module as well. The same actions if you want to create a new action, you don't want the customer to delete a record, you just leave this checkbox as it is. Okay. I'm going to choose some fields. I'm going to use a single column now. Description, status. Okay, if you check this, it will show the users related accounts cases as well. So do you want to copy the layout to detail view? Yes. Description. Okay, save it. So this applies to the select view as well. So I'm going to choose the list view and show the same description, priority, status. Okay. So the contact profile. Um, this is like you are giving option for the customer to edit their own information. So here they can able to like if you want them to edit their first name, last name, or if you want to get some information from them, you can choose those fields here, and once they update those fields, it will be reflected in the contacts module. So I'm going to copy the layout to the detail view and save it. So then now the last part is like we have to generate a package build for the portal. So you have to enter the portal's name. This will be the title of the portal. Here it shows the Suit CRM. It will be showing whatever you enter here should be reflected in the title. So you have to enter the exact same URL. Right now I'm going to install the portal here. So I'm going to give the exact URL. No need to add the slash at the end. So this will be automatically fetched from the config file. Make sure it matches this URL, and you have to enter the license key. So this is my license key, and then you have to generate the package. So once you submitted the form, it will be scheduled and a package will be generated against your URL, this specific URL. After like a few minutes, maybe maximum it will take 10 minutes max. After that, you can able to see the status changes and there will be a download button available here. Once the package is ready, it will be available here, and you can just click the link to download the package. Just now downloaded the package from the Dropbox and install it in my server. I just set this checkbox and gave a username, and I received an email. I set the password, and I'm going to log in and show how it looks like. So this is the dashboard. Here user can able to see their open tickets and tickets by status, their latest cases, documents, etc. So here the user can able to create the document, view their own cases. The selected modules will be shown here. From here the user can able to update his own information. Okay, that's all. If you need any help, contact our support. Thank you.